So this is my room, and yes, that's the case for my phone. This is the headset that I bought, and this is my laptop. So, and this is my room, this is my fan, and that's my bag. Yeah, that's it's Saturday right now, so we didn't sell anything and we just take a rest. So my business partner go to the Visoria marketplace so that we can look for a jar in our business in Pasilina jar. And also he we did clean our house, so it's the general cleaning time. So we see some stocks that we haven't seen. So this is a shomai or a toothpick shomai stick, and yeah, I will